Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. If you love Temu hauls, any type of hauls, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, wigs, makeup, then this is the channel for you. So let's see what kind of items I found at Temu. All right, let's get into this haul. First thing I want to do is shout out a channel. It's Chelsea over at FL Goddess 77. It's either 77 or 777. I can never remember. I will put it right here. I will put it right here for you. I'm going to link her channel down below. Please help her get to 1,000 subscribers. Her videos are really, really good. She does Temu hauls and things with nails and all kinds of things. So please, she's real sweet. Please check her out. Highly recommend her channel. I've been binge watching it, so definitely check her out. All right, let's just see what we got here. This was $4.77, and I will tell you that, I mean, for $4.77, I guess this is okay, but it's a charm bracelet. Now, there was something on here though. What was it that I saw? Something is either misspelled or something. What was it? I can't remember. Hold please. Hold please. Like on one of these hearts, it says something like dawn, or what the heck does this even say? I don't have my nails on, so how gross are my nails? Pretty gross. I cannot even read this. It looks like it says a name, or what does this even say? Can you guys tell? Can you guys tell what that even says? I swear it says dawn, like D-A-U-G-H-N, and the other side says forever, but it's, I mean, you could take that charm off. The rest of the charms aren't bad. There's a, it says with God all things are possible, with a Bible and a couple crosses and some heart charms and things like that. So it's not a horrible bracelet by any means, but I would probably remove that one charm just because I have no idea what it says. Yeah, but it does have some really cute charms. Like there's a little crown with a heart. Yeah, there's a couple of really nice charms, but I don't know about that one. It says like Dawn Forever, like D-A-U-G-H-N. So I don't know. I don't know. But this is what it looks like. So there's all the charms. It's kind of cute, but for $4.77, I don't know. It's not bad. There's a cute little angel charm right here too. There's a cute little angel charm that hangs right there. I don't know, you guys. $4.77 for that. I mean, it was okay. I'm not going to write home about it, you know? I'm not going to write home about it. Next up is this pair of earrings. And I paid $3.20 for these, and I will tell you, they don't look nothing like the picture at all. If I can remember to do it, I will put the picture up on the screen of what I thought these were going to look like. This is what they look like, or this is what they came like. They're just really kind of cheesy looking compared to what I thought they were going to look like. I mean, I guess, what do I expect, huh? So this is what they look like. Like I said, I'll try and leave a picture of what the ad looked like. If they would have looked like that, I would have loved them. So there's that. So we're on a roll. We are on a roll here. We are on a roll, aren't we? So, again, with, and it came, those two items were both also, local warehouse. So I probably paid $2 in shipping. All right, then this was $4.74. Now, I don't know how I ended up with two of these. I believe one's a lip pencil. They were $4.74, but I know for sure I was supposed to get one of these, but why they sent me two of two different, I just don't know. They're the same brand. They're that Pudier or whatever. It's P-U-D-A-I-E-R. But I don't know how I got two because the ad was only for one. So, okay. Now, I will say this one is really nice. It's got this real nice tip on it. I love the color of it. Here, let me put it on. And I'm overlining, so, you know. Hold, please. Hold, please. And I have lip gloss on, so it's, you know, It's not really wanting to. It's a really nice pink color. Let me put it on my hand. It's really creamy and nice. I really like it, this one. Which is so very confusing about the other one, because the other one is, it says it's Honey Love, whatever that means, and it's very, very dry. So if you get this one with that kind of tip, it's good. So there's the two colors, but that top one's the one that's really creamy and really nice, and then the other one, it's more of a nude color, but it's really dry, so I don't know. But it was $4.74. I didn't know I was getting two, so yeah, I don't know. All right, so this next item, what is this? Oh, these must go with this. Okay, this is another item that came local warehouse. Now, these were $7.64, and I'm like, this didn't really look like the picture either. This is I'm really not having a good haul. But these are really kind of cool, though. But when you see them, you're going to be like, what in the world? So it's these big round pieces. Do you see these? They all have the gold on one side, and then there's like a satiny side in different colors. So you have pink, you have this blue, there's a green, there's a champagne color. So you get all these. I don't know how many pieces are in here, and I dropped one, but... And then you get these things, and it's like a little... It's like a little tag that says Forever Love, which I will not use those at all. But then you get a little pin with a pearl, too. So these are more for like gift giving or something like that, I guess you could say. So you get like the little pin that comes with the pearl. And then what you do with these is you pull this string right here. Now there's a string on each side. So when you pull it, it creates a little poofy pouch, a little satin pouch, if you will, and then you can tie it or whatever, and you can put your little pearl on it or whatever you want to do. But that's what all these do, is they make like little silk pouches, and these are adorable, by the way. I really like the way that these look. I like the feel of them. I like the presentation. I'm going to use these probably on my Whatnot shows to like send people jewelry in them. You know, just as I thought it would be cute to like send like a necklace or a really, really pretty bracelet, and then you can always tie the front. So I think there were, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's probably like 15 in here, and they were $7.64. So that's not bad. And I mean, you could use these as like, you know, use them for gifts or whatever, but they're really cute, I think, when you put them all together and you pull them together and make like the little pouch. I think it's adorable. I think it's a really pretty little pouch to gift give in. So I really like those for the price. Okay, then I got this. It was $5.36, and it's one of these books to put like your final wishes, some information about stuff like that. I know it's kind of morbid to think about, but I'm thinking about it, okay? So it says, my final wish is everything you need to know when I'm gone. And look at this, it says, I'm dead, now what? End of life planning and journal. And then I can write in here of, now it says on here the planner should not be considered a legally binding document, but I feel like if you get this notarized or maybe put it with your other stuff, you know what I mean? Like if it might not be legally binding, but if you haven't notarized, it is. So there's areas for personal records, important contacts, car insurance, the bills, properties, your end-of-life wishes, all of those kinds of things. So I feel like this could be a good book for, you know, someone who is planning their end-of-life stuff, which I am, I guess, or I wouldn't have bought it. So $5.36, not that I want to think about it, but you know, when my dad passed away, that was one of the things we were like, what do we do? What does he own? Like, you know, where do we go to figure out what life insurance policies he has and all of that stuff? Luckily, we had a lawyer walk us through that, but he did not have a will, so we ended up in probate court. So I will recommend to you, get a will written up. Don't make your family go through probate court, because it is a disaster. Okay, next up are these pouches. I bought these before. You can use these for so many different things. They're scent-free bags. You can put snacks in them in your kids' lunch, whatever you want. I put jewelry in these. If I'm going away on a trip, sometimes I'll just pack these full of whatever I need for that trip, like maybe my eyeliner and my, lipstick and whatever. So this particular set, you get, let me see if it says how many are here altogether. I don't know if it does or not. 3 sizes, 120 pieces, and I'm dropping them everywhere. So you get a small little snacky size like this one. So this would be good for like little snacks. But usually when I sell like a ring or a bracelet or something, I like to put them in these bags. And then you get like a medium-sized bag. I'd say this is like a 3x5. And then you get this size, which is a larger sized bag. So these are really nice, holographic. And then they are also see-through. So whatever you put in here, you're able to see what's in there. This is also good for like storage. Maybe you're storing some stickers or journaling items or really whatever. This was $16.53. There better be something spectacular in this box, okay? Because $16.53? Holy mackerel. What was I thinking? Oh. It's not spectacular. Well, I'm telling you right now, I paid way too much for this, but I wanted to have it. So it's like this rattan box or wicker box, whatever you want to call it. What this is for is it's like a cord keeper. So you'll see on the sides, see how it's like, it has all this space right here. And then you open it up and like here. So beside my couch, I have like a strip, like a power strip with cords coming out. And the cats tend to like try and get a hold of it. So I'm going to put all those cords in here and close it. And then that way they can't get into it. So that's what I bought this for. But $16.53. Now I will say this is made very well. It's very tough. It's going to last. But whether you would want one of these sitting on your floor, I don't know. Mine will be on the floor. This would be cute on the back of a desk if you need to put a bunch of cords in here that are just, if you have maybe like a computer set up and you don't want to see all the cords, put them in here and then they'll come out one end and so I mean, but you could put a lot of different things in here. You don't necessarily have to put cords, you could put anything in there. So $16.53 though. $16.53 for a box. I don't know. This is another extreme disappointment. So this is like a stained glass looking thing, but it doesn't look anything like it's supposed to. So it was $5.91. I was going to put this maybe like on my door on the back porch when you come in the house or on the window in the bathroom, but it doesn't look anything like it's supposed to. Again, if I think about it, I'll put up what it's supposed to look like and this is what it actually looks like. So maybe I should show it to you this way. Let me show it to you this way. This is what it looks like. Okay? Now, maybe from afar, it would be okay on a window, like kind of give it that stained glass, but it's just so bad. You know what I mean? Like, you peel it off and you stick it on, I think. Like, I think it's got, like, a back to it. It's sticky, Like, this is the other side, and it's sticky. There's, like, sticky on this side. But it just looks like it doesn't... Do you know what I'm saying? Kind of makes me mad. It doesn't look anything like the picture either. I can hear my kid talking. I was like, who was talking? So, I don't know, you guys. I'm not happy with this at all. I don't think I want to put it up in any window. And my bathroom window is smaller than this, so I would have to like cut it smaller and it would even look weirder. You know what I mean? I feel like the picture that they put on here just isn't a good quality picture. Let's just say it. Let's just say what it is, okay? So I don't know what to do with that. I have no idea. Yeah, this isn't going very well, is it? Isn't going very well. Okay, so this was $1.85. It is a, me and my eye makeup eyeshadow sticks. Now, I can't remember what brand it was. Was it, I don't know. I just remember it was an expensive brand. And they came out with a eyeliner that was called Cocoa Shimmer or something like that. And it was actually like a bronzy shimmer type of eyeshadow stick. And then I saw this and I'm like, well, that kind of looks the same. So maybe I could get this one for $1.85. Okay, so for $1.85, and this color is called Color 08. Color 08. So, oh, by the way, I'll link all of this down below, you guys, just in case you want any of this stuff. So it says Luminous Highlight something something. This is what it looks like. Looks like that on the tip. But like I said, it looked kind of a lot like that Cocoa Shimmer eyeliner. Okay, this is really smooth, you guys. Really smooth. Very creamy. I really like this. That's what it looks like. You could easily even take a little like eyeliner brush and get some product and then like line your eyes with it. It's really creamy. It's really pretty. I really like the bronze. Okay, I'm happy with that. Yeah, it's actually really creamy and really nice. So for $1.85, if there's other colors, I would probably get other colors with that for sure. Okay, let's do this. And then we'll save the rest for another video. More gift bags. Me and my gift bags for like friend mail and all that kind of stuff. These were $1.79. You get, I don't know, probably 10. $1.79 though for 10 or whatever, how many's in here. I don't think that's bad. Hold on, let me figure out how to get in here. It's always a problem. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you get 10. They're so cute. They're like a white organza, and then they have this satiny gold ribbon, and they close at the top. These are really cute. I really like those. Putting gifts in, or maybe you have a kid's birthday party, or you have to give treats for a kid's birthday party. I think these are really cute. There's a lot of uses for these. I use these when I sell jewelry to put jewelry in, just to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. But 10 of them for $1.79, I don't think that's bad at all. Yeah, so there's the organza bags. I think this haul was kind of iffy. I mean, there's a couple of good useful items, and then I had a couple of items where I was kind of like, you know, I think that's just kind of the norm with Temu. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you got to the end, leave me a heart. Love you guys so much. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow Chelsea over at FL Goddess 77. Let's get her 2,000 subscribers, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.